This weather report brought to you by Allianz Car Insurance.
It's time for more weather news now, and Amelia joins us from King William Street again, and you're surrounded by some familiar faces for tonight's report, Amelia.
Well, Jane, I thought I needed a bit of extra support tonight to deliver news of a wet and windy week ahead. So I found myself in good company here tonight inside 91 King William for the Spirit of SA exhibition, which is part of Sala. It features some iconic South Aussie faces, places, even some delicacies. And the good news is that proceeds from artwork sales go straight to the Childhood Cancer Association. Not a bad day in the city today. Our top was 16.3 degrees following a low of 7, with Port Augusta the coldest place in the state overnight with a low of minus 0.5. Onshore winds delivered showers about southern coast and the lower southeast mostly as a high pressure system over SA moves over the border tonight. Next up is a big area of low pressure. It'll sit to the south of us, allowing a few fronts to push across this week. The first one is due to hit late tomorrow. Interstate and showers and windy in Perth, with winds set to strengthen over Melbourne tomorrow too. Back home it'll be windy across SA as well, with showers set to move across from the west, reaching central and eastern parts by afternoon. We could see gusty storms about southern parts of all peninsulas and the southeast as well. Up to 19 degrees in Port Augusta tomorrow, 16's the top for Port Lincoln and Kadina, 17 for Victor Harbour and Murray Bridge, 15 for Mount Gambier, with showers set to feature early over the lower southeast tomorrow too. Now, as we've heard, tomorrow's front could produce damaging winds across a huge area of the state, and winds will reach gale force across some coastal areas as well. And sheep farmers should remain vigilant in the conditions. In the city, expect a dry start with showers set to develop late in the day, maybe even the odd rumble about the hills and southern suburbs. 17's the top. On metro waters, northerlies should gradually increase during the day, reaching up to 30 knots from mid-afternoon with seas to 2.5 metres. Now, Wednesday should be a sunny day. We're just expecting a shower early in the morning and in the evening, and it'll be windy. More showers Thursday, and then the winds swing westerly from Friday. So not only will it be wet and windy, it's looking pretty cold. Now, before I go, let's take a look at tonight's rave sunshine. Racehorses, police horses and show jumpers alike all share something in common today. It's their birthday. August the 1st marks the magical day we celebrate all our equine friends in the Southern Hemisphere. SAPOL's Mountain Operations Unit spoilt their police greys with a morning tea full of cake, decorations and, of course, carrots.
Hey, here we go. Happy birthday, Doyle.
And not a bad day to celebrate the birthday. Thankfully, they've missed the wet and windy weather ahead, Jane.
Good for them. Thanks, Amelia. Well, that's all the news we have for now. Day 4 of our Commonwealth Games coverage continues next on Channel 7 and 7 Mate. It's the biggest night of swimming so far. Emma McKeon, Ariane Titmus, Kyle Chalmers, Cody Simpson, Kaylee McEwen and Shayna Jack are all going to be there. And the Diamonds are taking on South Africa in their biggest netball test so far. But for now, from us, good night.